Hello, thank you for visiting this special visual tour. Come explore this exemplary 1-bedroom and 1.5 bath unit on Country Club Drive in Aventura. Tastefully fitted with 24 by 24 inches tiles throughout. The kitchen offers an open floor plan with cherry cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and tasteful lighting. The master bedroom is ensuite with tiled shower, glass doors and closets. A spacious screened-in balcony faces the Turnberry Golf Course. Hurricane shutters are an added plus. This well-appointed unit is offered fully furnished. This is a rare opportunity at this price point and want last.Amenities, heated pool, gym, clubhouse, library and billiard room. Close to the beach, shops and restaurants. Walk to Aventura Mall and groceries.